So classification of bones is goes along the form. How do they look like? And that would determine quite a lot of other things. So we'll start with long bones. The easiest way to remember long bones they are on the limbs, beside the wrist and the ankle. And they use for movement. Yeah. Short bones are in the wrist and in the ankle. And in a way, these areas are very similar. And the function of the wrist and the ankle is fine movement. It's not a gross movement like that, but fine movement, for example, a grip. Grip is the fingers, but also the wrist needs to move. Yeah? Writing, fine movement, like writing, sewing, yeah, typing. And on the ankle is walking and balance. Imagine that you're walking on an uneven surface. It would be the foot bones that need to adjust accordingly and let you continue moving. Flat bones, the easiest way to remember is the protection. Skull, ribs, scapula or shoulder blade, hip bone, they're all for protection. Chest bone, good. Irregular bones are all the bones that looks irregular. Spine, for example, the vertebrae, the facial bones, they look irregular and they have varied function. Yeah? The last one, sesamoid bone, is the bone that everybody find it hard to understand. So the patella or the kneecap is in front of it. Can you move it actually? Can you go and move it? You might need to straighten your leg and rest it. Yeah? So it does move, isn't it? Same as here. What you're doing is moving it this way. So it says in your note that the bone grows inside a tendon. So what is it, a tendon? A tendon is where the muscle from here comes all the way and attached to the bone. The last bit of the muscle called the tendon. So here you see that inside the tendon, the bone is growing, the patella is growing, and what it does, it's used for protection, but also it's used to give a better lever so we can run faster or walk better. So I would say it's just a way that it gives a bit of a lever for the muscle to work around the bone. It makes it better. There is a longer explanation, but we don't need this, okay? So take it as these two are the function of the sesamoid bone, lever and protection. Lever is L-E-V-E-R. Give it a better lever.
Is that the only other bones that do that?
And there are a few other bones, but they're very small and inconsistent. Sometimes they are there, sometimes not.
So it's mainly just kneecap?
Yeah. Callum? Same question. Okay. So let's, Linda?